Om Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Om Shri Saraswatyai Namaha. Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Samasta Jana Kalyane Niratam Karunamayam Namami Chinmayam Devam Sadgurum Brahma Vidparam Sadgurum Brahma Vidparam. Okay. Hariom, everyone. Good morning. We will be doing our test this morning. It is focused on the nouns that we have been studying, masculine and neuter nouns, and the concept of declension tables. Please take your time. Don't get stressed. And the purpose of the test is for you to be able to see how much you understand. So you go slowly through it, and whatever you don't understand, it will indicate to you what you need to focus more on and study more. Okay, so I don't know if you all know this, but when you all have a test, I have a test too, because I have to make the test. So we're all in this together. And the other thing is, when you do the test, please watch out and don't make silly little mistakes. I make silly little mistakes all the time when I go fast. Same with you. If you go fast, you might make silly little mistakes. So take your time, pay attention. There may be some tricks in some of the questions. So watch out and don't fall for them. There are 5 slides. Each slide we will be on for 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how many questions there are on the slide. Okay? And as we go along, I will tell you what this question is, even though it's also written. So are you all ready? Okay, so take a calm breath and let's get started. Okay. This slide, the only thing you need to write is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and T or F. True or false. That's all you're writing here. And you have about 3 minutes, no, 5 minutes. Take 5 minutes. And like the first one is dhana. Dhana, third person, plural, neuter, equals dhanehi. Is that true or false? That's all you write, true or false.
Vitamins.
You don't need to know the meanings, and you don't need to worry if masculine and neuter is correct. The rest is what you're seeing. How's it going? Okay, another minute and a half or so. Okay, you should be more than halfway through. Okay, 30 more seconds on this slide. If you didn't finish, I'll come back at the end after we close and you can continue doing this slide. If you're done, give me a thumbs up. Oh, most people are done, right? Okay. This question, again, the only thing you're going to write is A or B. I didn't number it. There's 6 questions. So you have to see which na is correct. If it is na or na. So you use your rule for na and na, and you see which word it is. 3 minutes. Okay, just about another minute on this question. Okay, next question. For these questions, you have to write the substantive word and the case number and gender. The first one is an example. You have to just follow that for the next 4. So we're going to give 4 minutes for this slide. You don't need to write the meaning. You just have to write the substantive word and case gender number. One more minute. I'll come back to the slide if you need more time at the end. Okay. This question, you have to complete the sentences. There are 2 sentences. All the vocabulary you need is on the slide itself. 1 sentence is Sanskrit to English, and 1 sentence is English to Sanskrit. In both cases, you have to put all the cases, genders, numbers. Okay? 4 minutes, 2 minutes per question. all questions, you can type your question in the chat if you want, but there should be no questions. You have to translate the two sentences that are on the screen. The first one you translate from Sanskrit to English, and the second one you translate from English to Sanskrit. In both cases, you have to write case, gender, number of each noun in the sentence. One more minute. Who's done now? Oh, wow, this is taking long. Okay, take another minute. One more minute. Can I go to the next slide? Okay, now I see some yes. I'll come back. I'll come back to this one, okay? This is the last question. We've had to do this for homework, so you should know what to do. Everything that is blank, that is highlighted, you have to fill it out. So you have to figure out every line should have a substantive word, case, gender, number, the translation in English with the prepositions, and the declined noun in Sanskrit. One more minute-ish. Who's done? Okay, take another minute. Okay, I'm gonna say one Om if I could get everybody's attention. Om. Okay. By your face, I want you to express to me how you felt the test was. By your facial expression. Okay, awesome. If you did the homework every day, then you would have been able to follow the test very easily. Not saying the test would have been easy, but you would have been able to follow it very easily, right? I'm going to do closing prayer now, and then your homework will be tonight. I will send the answers to the test, maybe after 7 p.m. So you can check and you can see where you went wrong, and you can cross-reference your books and all of that. Your homework for the weekend will be to check the test and to make sure all your notes are in order, because on Monday, when we start a new topic, you will feel overwhelmed if these notes are not in order. Okay? So we'll close and I will see you all on Monday. Pandit course, you know what to do after the test, right? Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om Shri Sadgurunath Maharaj Ki Jai. Okay, I will